So hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove YouTube shorts from playing on your YouTube home screen. You can say this is my YouTube home screen, and I don't want YouTube shorts on my home screen as it is sometimes distracting for me. As you can see, this is the YouTube shorts tab. So for that, it's a very simple process. You just need to click the three lines. As you can see, the three lines on YouTube Shorts, and just click not interested. And you need to do it for everyone. Okay, not interested, not interested, not interested. And after doing this, go to your icon, go to the settings, and then general, and then playback and feed. Just turn it off. After that, you just need to refresh your home feed, and it will not appear on your home screen again, the YouTube shorts. So as you can see, I don't have any YouTube shorts on my home screen anymore. But if you open the YouTube shorts tab again from here, and then if you try to watch YouTube shorts a couple of times, then it will again appear on your home screen. So do the same process again to remove it. Hope this video helpful. Thank you for watching.